Do you find studying for exams challenging? Well, fear not. The task may seem daunting, but with the right strategies you can conquer any exam that comes your way. First, setting a realistic and specific study plan is vital. Break down your exam material into manageable chunks and assign a time limit for each topic. This strategy will not only help you avoid the black hole of procrastination, but will also keep you on track with your progress. Next, find a suitable study environment. This place should be quiet, comfortable, and free of distractions. If you can't find such a place, don't worry. Using headphones, playing soft music, or even white noise can block out background distractions. The key is to create a conducive environment that allows you to focus on your studies. Rewarding yourself for your efforts is another effective strategy. After completing a study session or a topic, give yourself a small treat or a break. This approach will keep you motivated and help prevent burnout. Celebrating your achievements, big or small, with friends or family who support your goals, can also be a great boost to your motivation. Incorporating positive self-talk and affirmations into your routine can work wonders. Remind yourself of your strengths and abilities and why you're studying for this exam. Use phrases like, "I can do this," "I am prepared," or "I am confident" to boost your self-esteem and confidence. Remember, your mindset is half the battle. Finally, don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. If you encounter any difficulties or doubts while studying, ask for help from your teachers, classmates, or tutors. They can provide you with guidance, feedback, or clarification, improving your understanding and performance. To summarize, create a specific study plan, find a suitable study environment, reward yourself, use positive affirmations, and seek help when needed. These strategies will help you stay disciplined while studying for your exams. Remember, you have the potential to succeed, and success is within your grasp. Believe in yourself.